So, ladies and gentlemen, this is something you can do in your home. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You can definitely do it, but the things that you need to consider are, speed, quality, etc., etc. If you want it fast, chances are you might want to give it to a professional. If you don't want it fast, definitely do it yourself. Then tools come in, but those are other variables that you have to consider as well. Do you want to put the time into investing in some of these tools? Maybe not the best tool, but something on par with that. Just something that'll make cutting straight edges, there and at the beginnings, and rips, very thin pieces like that. It's a process. So yes, you can definitely do anything in your home by yourself. And I mean anything. You can maybe not build a whole house by yourself, but you can definitely do that if you have the time, the patience, and you're willing to go for the training. On the other hand, for smaller projects like this, you can definitely do it by yourself. It's just gonna take time if you want to do it by yourself. If you want something fast and you don't want to sweat it, you have other things to do with your time, dole it out to a professional. They're gonna do it way faster than you're probably gonna ever do it. They're gonna do it faster than you're gonna do it in that same time frame. So, just things to keep in mind. But right now, we're gonna finish part of this floor. Then we have to play musical chairs again. Move all that stuff around. Move this broken thing around. Move the bed. It's gonna be interesting. So we're just gonna attach wheels to the bottoms. Roll that around. Probably roll this piece first. Build the floors up to somewhere there. Move this around, shift it, musical chairs. Then we need to tackle this closet. But yeah, that's the plan for now. All right, let's go.